kids, this is Teacher Chi. Are you excited to learn with me again? Today, we are going to learn in nature around us. Our topic for today is about the summer clothes. Let's begin. Okay, let's do the activity on page 17. It's about summer clothes. Okay, what do we wear during summer? Okay, let's read the instructions. Okay, draw circle around the summer clothes. Okay, let's identify these pictures before we answer. Okay, repeat after me. Undershirt, undershirt, jacket, jacket, jeans, jeans, shorts, shorts, winter gloves, winter gloves. Now, which clothes do we use for summer? Okay, let's see. Undershirt. Okay, what do you think? Is this clothes for summer? Okay, you're right. Okay, this clothes is for summer. Okay, let's circle the undershirt. Jacket. Is this clothes for summer? Okay, you're right. This clothes is not for summer. Okay, this clothes is for winter or cold. Okay, what about this one? Jeans. Is this for summer? Okay, you're absolutely right. Okay, jeans is not for summer. We wear a jeans when it's cold or winter. Shorts. Is this for summer? Okay, very good. Shorts is for summer. Okay, we wear a shorts when it's hot or summer. Now, okay, let's circle the shorts. Winter gloves. Is this for summer? Okay, you're absolutely right. Winter gloves is not for summer. Okay, we wear our winter gloves when it's winter. Now, okay, that's all for today, kids. Okay, that's all for today, kids. I hope you've learned a lot from me. Okay, we will meet again. Till next time. Bye-bye!